Alright, so we have this issue with this diagram 2016 1500 ABS engine light on and some other lights on, slippery lights on, so we'll see what the code is. Alright, so this is pretty much all the codes that faulted, but basically we have issue with the ABS, so I'm gonna go start with the ABS. See what happens, and there we go. C0031-1d, or is that 1D? Active left front speed sensor circuit current out of range. So basically we're gonna replace the sensor for this vehicle, see what happens. So here's the sensor. This is the original sensor from the dealership. In case you want the part numbers, will be here. Right. Alright, basically here's the ABS wire we have to replace. It goes here, it goes over here. So fortunately these wires go all the way there. Right, hopefully we can dig that wire out, that sensor out there. So to do this, we're gonna have to remove brake caliper and obviously the rotors, so we can have an access. Alright, so now caliper is off and the rotor is off. So here's our ABS. What we're gonna have to do now is put some WD-40 to a little bit loosen the rust over there, because it's really rusty, and you're gonna need an Allen key. Seems like you need an Allen key to remove the screws. Alright, so the sensor is loose now, but you're very careful because this thing get so rusty in there and it got stuck really good, but I managed to pry it out there without breaking it. Most of the time you would break this half of the sensor and you're gonna stay there, and that's gonna be a big headache if you have that issue, because you're gonna have to drill there and get those plastic out, right, the rest of the sensor. So but at this particular sensor, it seems like intact, and I managed to get it out without breaking it. So yeah, that's a good thing. And now we're gonna put and place the new sensor. So the sensor is a little bit different, so you can see the size. This one is a little bit shorter. Well, this might be gonna have a problem. Well, we'll see. Alright, so sensor, rotors, and caliper is back. So I rewrote the new sensor, right? And here's the connector. This connector was hiding in the back of this plastic. You're gonna have to take it out before, so you can unplug the sensor. And that's pretty much it. Just put it back what it was, and that's it. You're done. Yeah.